Today, we're going to be taking off the armrest on our center console of our 2012 Ford Edge. The tools you'll need for this is a pry tool and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Let's get started. We're going to get our pry tool and we're going to come on the side over here and we're going to just get in there and basically just pull it right out. So the whole thing comes right down and you have 4 T20, 1, 2, 3, 4, to unscrew in order for you to get your lid off. So now that we have our lid off, you can go on eBay and buy covers for these, and you just have to take out these staples and you can recover your lid, and once you're done, just reinstall. All right, just gonna line up the holes right there. Just take this and line it up and pop it back in. No need to remove this or any other thing. Shut it down. And that's how you remove your armrest on your 2012 Ford Edge, so you can repair it, replace it, whatever you need to do to it. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.